tayo talaga magtatabi nila, Marian. Ano ba yun?
Tama na, tatlo na sila dyan sa harap. Isang dalagang Pilipina, Kami pa talaga dito sa likod din.
Kayo eh, sabi ko. Libat na kami.
Ay. Gulat niyo. Kuya, ano Innova po?
Innova.
I mean,
Innova Cherry White.
Ano siya, babe? Korean siya.
The usual.
Ay, sa'yo.
Sama, sana eh.
Uy!
Joke na po, hindi ko talaga ako marunong.
Halata naman tayo baka. Halata. Para kang Chinese eh.
Korean.
Ayun.
Ay, ngayon ako nakasama na yun. Usually pag alam ko, Japan. Sumimasen, sasabihin ko sana.
Japanese.
Japanese pala yun.
We go.
준비가 끝났습니다. 안전운전하세요.
Gusto ko matutunan yan.
Ano?
Rolling Panda. Hot Pop.
Yeah. Yeah. Ne. Pwede naman ne.
Gusto ko talaga matutunan
Ne.
yun.
Do you know how to speak
안녕하세요.
Yeah, English 조금만 써. Oh, you
Ano yung sabihin nyo?
understand?
Little.
Oh, 조금.
Yan, kakanood nyo yan. Gusto ko
Kaka-drama.
You watching K-drama?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
Ne.
나는 리아입니다.
Wow. Yeah. You, no. You.
Ariana입니다.
Oh.
안녕하세요.
Oh, she can speak Korean a little.
Yeah.
Watching K-drama? You?
네.
Watching? Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yes, ang yes ay ne.
네.
Yeah, 네.
No,
Yes.
아니요.
Yeah, 아니요.
아니요. 아니?
Ah, galing.
알았어.
You 학생이에요? 학생?
좌회전입니다. 그리고
Student? 학생?
yes.
Yeah, 학생. What program?
Accountancy.
Where are you studying? 어디에 study? Where school?
Yeah.
Where?
Came from different schools.
From
Different
different
school?
school, yes.
Yeah.
We're reviewing.
Reviewing?
Why do you choose to work here?
I have a
Study
business
in
here?
Korea?
We have a business here.
Business.
Oh.
Part-time lang to.
This is just your side hustle.
Yeah, sideline.
Part-time.
Part-time. I'm going to my business now.
Okay.
Sinabay na lang tayo.
Totoo ba?
Oo nga daw eh.
Going to business.
Baka yun yung business niya.
What's your business here?
Shabu.
Shabu ka.
Hotpot. Shabu-shabu. Shabu-shabu.
Shabu-shabu.
Mm.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Where? Pat din pala.
Yeah, Amuranto?
Bakit sa kanya? Bakit sa kanya to?
Hindi alam niya yun. What store?
Hmm?
What's the name of the store?
Name the store. No, not Rolling Panda.
Not rolling.
No. It's Jongsu Hot Pot. Yeah, Jongsu.
좌회전입니다. 그리고 직진하세요.
Jongsu Hot Pot.
Search na natin.
Bell.
Because Jongsu is my friend.
Oh.
We have a community here.
Yeah.
Then Jongsu, his name is Jongsu, my friend. Last name is Pot. Yeah. Jongsu.
Ito ba yung lumalabas?
Near Panawe.
Near Bapa.
Ah, yeah. It's near Banawe.
야. 야, 그런데 이름 뭐예요?
Where
이름
is your
뭐예요?
hotpot located?
응?
Where is your hotpot located?
아무런 near Panawe?
Oh, so
Mm.
on the different side.
저.
Other side.
Yeah, further.
야, 그런데 이름 뭐예요? 이름 뭐예요? You know? What is your name? 이름 뭐예요? 야, 이름.
Arong.
야, 이름 뭐예요?
Ariana po.
아리아나입니다.
Ariana Inira. Ria.
리아입니다.
Leanne.
Sasabihin.
Hindi ka marunong.
Nainig pala ako.
야, next is
Marian.
Marian입니다. And
I'm Adi Imnida.
and
Princess.
princess입니다.
She's a princess. Disney princess.
야, 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you. 만나서 반갑습니다. Or 반가워요.
Panggawayo.
Yeah.
Give us discount on your shabu shabu next time.
Yeah. You go there to my business, shabu shabu. Just tell my name.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Taemon.
Taemon.
Yeah, Taemon.
Temon.
Taemon.
Temon.
Oh.
Yeah, that's my name.
Taemon.
Yeah, it's me.
I cannot find the shabu
You.
shabu. Like, what's the spelling of the name?
Jongsu. It's
Jongsu,
Korean.
Jongsu.
It's Korean.
Ah,
Oh, that's
it's
why it's
Korean.
hard to.
You don't have a page or something for us to check?
Later, I'm gonna check here.
Okay. Thank you.
Mayate.
Taemon.
Yeah, Taemon. My last name is Yu.
You?
You? Taemon. You, Taemon.
Nahanap mo din. Nakakita ko lang din.
You Taemon.
Yeah, it's you, Taemon, right?
Because last name first.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I'm here in Philippines.
So it's
Taemon you.
Taemon Yu. Not Taemon Yu. It's Taemon Yu. Kanan, right? Kanan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Kanan. The left is Kaliwa. Go straight. The right, Cho. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you can teach me a lot of any basic to learn more.
What do you like to know?
Like a basic Tagalog.
Kumain.
Yeah, I know Kai. Right.
How about kamusta? Do you know what kamusta is?
Kamusta?
Kamusta?
Hello, right? Hello? Is it hello? Hello?
No, it's how are you?
How are you?
you?
Oh, how are
Kamusta?
you? In Korea, 잘 지냈어요. 잘 지냈어요.
Ciao, Jinisay.
Oh, yeah, in Korea. Korea, yeah.
Papipi na din ako.
Nanahimik nyo pala.
Lalo na ako. Mukhang maligaw na ako sa ano.
All of you living here, Manila?
Ano?
No.
Where?
Temporary.
Province? Where province?
Batangas.
Oh, you Batangas?
Yes.
How about other?
You're from
Tarlac.
Tarlac.
Tarlac. Near Pampanga.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Pampanga.
Do you have a place in Pampanga also?
Yeah, we have a business there also.
There's a lot of
Wow.
Korean stores
Mm,
there.
mm,
So
yeah,
you're
yeah.
rich. I think so.
No. No. Have you been in Korea?
Not
No.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes you.
I wanna go.
You wanna go?
Soon.
Yeah.
Soon, yeah,
Soon.
soon. You visit there. Very nice place in Korea.
Why do you stay here?
Yeah, just for the business.
For
I live in Seoul.
Where in Seoul?
Sultan Kudarat. You mean the now? You know?
Who taught you that? Who taught you that?
Are you really Yan, or
You know, before I live in Mindanao,
Oh, okay.
Totoo nga, gaya naman
Ito
guys.
naman.
yeah, before. But I have many friends here joking to me.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
ano na yung simula? Hajime Mashite. Hajime Mashite. Di ba Hajime Mashite? Dientes.
Japan, Japan,
Harami mashita.
Japan, right?
Yeah.
Is it nice to meet you? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hajime Mashite.
Hajime mashite. I can speak also Japanese.
Oh, yun naman pala eh.
Mm.
Oh.
Hajime mashite. Moto Yamaha Kawasaki Honda, Hachini Toyota.
Feeling ko bad yun ang ano,
You know
Bechin.
Ay, sino mo to?
Sino po?
We go tour right here. How many months review?
6
6 months review,
Yes.
and then
Board.
Hmm?
Like-
Board exam.
Yes.
Hmm? Good luck.
Thank you.
I know you can do it.
Kamsahamnida.
You study hard.
Kamsahamnida.
Ajusi. Grabe ka naman sa
Ajusi.
Ajusi.
Oppa na lang daw.
Opa.
Oh.
Opa.
Kakuha yun.
I think we're near. Yeah.
Saan din na idea?
Lapit na ba tayo?
Straight ahead. More.
You same courses.
Yeah.
Program, same program.
Yes.
Accountant.
Accountant. Accountancy.
1+1.
Magellan.
What is
Let's
Magellan?
go. Lapu-lapu.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
3+3, Christmas tree.
Oh, very good.
That's Filipino humor.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Where? Here. Go
On
straight.
the stoplight.
Stoplight. In the-
Before.
before.
Yeah, on the right side.
Oh, here. Hot pot.
Yes.
Factory hot pot.
Rolling Panda.
Ang malaki
Factory
siya.
hotpot.
Just here?
Hapdi naman.
Oh yeah, baby here.
Ano ba dito na? Dito
Yeah, we can drop here.
We can drop.
Uy, good luck sa pag-review ninyo ha.
Sheesh! Napapanood kita!
Napapanood kita, kuya.
Totoo nga.
Talaga?
Gagi, napapanood talaga kita.
Buti na lang, hindi ako nagsalita ng sobra-sobra. Buti na lang! Buti na lang!
May camera.
Ano ba yun? Gusto ko na sabihin.
Buti na lang kasi na yun ang sabi ko! Thank you, Lord.
Girl.
Napapanood kita.
Talaga ba?
Kuya.
Pero na-prank pa rin.
Opo.
Buti na lang, nandyan ako.
Kaya, napaniwala ako.
Hindi ka lang ko din.
So, okay lang? So, yun nga, tama nga siya, ako isang content creator. So, ito yung cameras ko.
Napapanood kita. Hindi ka maniwala ko ng tingnan.
Lalapit ko lang sa camera.
Hinahanap ko yung camera kanina. Wala akong makita.
Nahirapan ako sumagot sa hotpot ko. Kasi wala naman talaga. Sabi ko, paano ko masabihin to? Nahanap, sinesearch ko, patay. Yung shabu lang na ano ko eh.
Kaya pala ang galing ng humor niya, no?
Napasign up the cross mo. Napasign up the cross mo sa sabi.
So, okay lang isama ko sa content ko?
Apo.
Okay lang? So,
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po kay Ses.
sino may... Ay, ito?
Ayun, nasa dulo.
Si Princess?
Yes po.
Happy birthday to you. Singil 축하합니다.
Singil
축하합니다. Alam niyo ba, marami na akong na-prank na my birthday.
Wow.
Kaya pag my birthday, it's a free ride.
Wow!
Yay!
Ganda po na sasakyan. Ang ganda po na sasakyan.
Ay, actually marami nagsasabi maganda rin yung sasakyan ko, pero kulang pa isa.
Thank you
po.
Salamat, ingat, good luck ha. Enjoy.
Thank you po. Ingat po.
Thank you.
Thank you, kuya.
Thank you ma'am, ingat po, good luck at enjoy sa hot pot with shabu shabu. Yan. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Hirapan ako sumagot sa hot pot ah. Marami pa rin hindi nakakilala kasi nakapokus sila sa kanilang pag-aaral. Okay yun.